apologies. I'm not sure if you all saw what happened. In case you missed it, when I pointed out, more of you clapped for this. This right here, you like this better. This was 3 years of my life. Sadly, this was 2 of those years. I understand that you hate great rubber chicken guys. We want to see more than 3, am I right? You want to see 4? You want to see 5? I need you 3. I'll tell you what, I'll show you the most I can do. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With a reaction like that, I'll go back to 1. Unless, of course, now 5 is the most that I can do. I can show it to you 1 of 2 ways. Easy way or hard way. Hard way. You know about the rest. It's always the hard way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The hard way. Just need to kind of move around the stage, make it look good. Thank you. What do you think? It's only 3. That's clearly 5. All right, that fool's in Kentucky, but not here. Check it out. First little salt trick will be off the ground upside down. Like number 1, or number 2. Number 1, number 2, number 1. 1 and 2 together. Go for 5 off the ground. 1, 2. 1, 2. I don't know how to stop. You all seem to like that trick. My downstairs neighbor hates that trick. Now I've got a bunch of stuff to show you up here. We're about to get to some rubber chicken.